This isn't just any hike. It is 60 kilometers of alpine ridgelines, enchanted forests, and views that will knock your cap off literally if the wind gets to you. In this episode, we kick off the Kepler Track after surviving the moody Routeburn. With perfect weather, unforgettable sunset, and the most scenic hike ever, this might just be our best trek yet. Pack your snacks, lace those boots, and join us as we chase sunrise, meet cheeky kids, and fall in love with Fiordland all over again. Some facts about the Kepler Track. The Kepler Track was located very near to Te Anau, making this the most accessible great walk out of our 3 great walks. It was a circular track of 60.1 kilometers, and you can do it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Most people complete the trek in 3 or 4 days, starting at either the Kepler Track shelter or the Rainbow Ridge shelter. Our plan was to do a slight variation in an anti-clockwise direction. We will take a water taxi from Te Anau lakefront to the Broad Bay shelter and start our trek there. Then we will end off at the Rainbow Ridge shelter where we arrange a shuttle to bring us back to Te Anau. This meant we will cut off 15.1 kilometers from the total trek distance and complete the trek in 3 days. Like all our mornings in Te Anau, we started our day at the lakefront with pies and coffee from Miles Better Than Pies.
Hi, Veen.
Four and a half hours to Luxmore Hut. Trek times can be reduced by half for fit trampers in good weather.
Oh, can be reduced by half, you serious?
Luxmore Hut, 45 minutes more. We were faster than expected. Maybe the signboard was right. Wow! Wow, super scenic leh. The dining area was big and spacious. Stoves and sinks were at the side. Wow, look at the view from the dining area. The Luxmore Hut has 54 bunks split into 2 rooms. The first room was bigger and has a combination of single bunks and those side-by-side kind. We were early because of our shortcut via the water taxi, so we managed to get ourselves 2 single bunks. The bunks in the second room were all the pai shui side-by-side kind. The toilets were within the hut on level 2. They were super clean. We had lunch at the benches outside, and lunch was pies that we took away from Miles Better Pies, our favourite Te Anau pie shop. We also checked out the Luxmore Cave, which was a short walk from the hut. We forgot our torches, so we didn't walk far into the cave. But if you brought torches, you will be able to explore the first 100 meters. The recommendation was to bring 2 torches just in case you drop one. The hut was so scenic and the weather was so good. It's worthwhile to come early to enjoy all this. Special thanks to the hut warden Matt. He was so passionate. He loved the nature, loved his job, and kept the Luxmore Hut so clean and tidy.
I mean, the future will be very good.
Fish the German. Fish the car. Stick.
挺好吃的哦！你看，我还没 right。
终于有这个东西，我终于讲到咖喱，我打的第3。
Really？ 给我打去第3。
第3在 Lucky。
啊 ，Really？
有一点啊，他们还有那个，哇，这是对那个 sauce
Sweet？ 哦 ，OK 的，说的2条辣椒前面的。
对的，它不是，这是辣椒，它有一点，它不是完全骗人的吧？挺好吃的呢。
很好呗。I think. Yeah, very small sweet. It has the capsicum.
During the hut warden talk that night, Matt said that it was a spring equinox that day, meaning that it marked the start of autumn for New Zealand. And to celebrate it, he offered his own homemade meat to everyone in the hut. Wow! Look at the stars! Look at the Milky Way! I wish I could show you the stars, but we can't seem to get our settings right. But that night, we sat under the Milky Way full of stars and ate our potato chips. Life can't get any better than this. After a quick breakfast, we started the uphill hike to the Ridgeline, the highlight of Kepler Track. We were the last few groups to leave as we took our time with the sunrise and sea of clouds. The hut was so pretty and scenic that I almost couldn't bear to leave. Bye bye Luxmore Hut, I hope to come again. Little one, you want to go home with me? The weather was perfect but so windy. Winds were forecasted at 50 km per hour. Show you the most scenic toilet on the Kepler Track. Is this the most scenic Great Walk toilet? Firstly, there was no door. Heard that the door was blown away by some strong winds few years ago. Therefore, the toilet was airy and did not smell at all. Toilet paper was provided, and please put back the rock after your business to keep the curious kids out of the gold bars inside the toilet bowl. And check out the view while you are doing your business. What a great view, right? Thank you. This might be the best ridge walk I've ever done. After a whole day on the ridge, it was time to head down. A tip here is to spend more time at the Hanging Valley shelter because you will be leaving the ridge line right after this and going down. Alright, time to go. Goodbye, my pretty mountains. Some people said we waste time. Some people said we waste money. Some said that we should have just joined the army because hiking is just like going on an army road march. Tell me, how is this even comparable to a road march?
事实证明，卤饭真的是正常的。